is how you do a compare in RSLogix, checking codes together. It's very useful when you have to run into the field and you need to know what you're going to need to change before you get there. What you can do is you open up RSLogix. Once that's all up and running, you can go to the compare tool. Once you got the compare tool up, browse a project that you want to use as the compare to. On my desktops where I got that stuff. Here's the machine that I'm going to call my good code, and on this code I want to put the machine I want to alter. When I hit OK, I'm going to get a box that's going to ask me what I want to compare. I don't really care about the processor stuff. I do care about the I/O configuration, and I care about all the ladder and the data files here. I just care about the differences. That's all. I always check this. Once you have this up and running, after you hit OK, maximize and arrange to the default, it'll pull up both windows. That's code side by side, each project. Now running down here, you can see anything with a red X is something that's different. If you click on the routine in this case and we just start scrolling down, you're going to see where the differences are. Here's something different. This is just going to turn off our auto repeat when the machine turns off. It doesn't look like we had that. We must have found that bug in a later machine, and now in this version I'm going to be putting in there, we'll be adding that. Some other things that are different in the auto repeat, so you can let that machine dry cycle. In this case you could have let it dry cycle in cam only, which would have just run the forming side of the machine. In this one it doesn't look like you had that option. Your auto cycle was everything or nothing. But just scrolling through here really quick, you can see I can get to the places that are different and find out what's different. Oh, they were getting an alarm, the oiler wasn't on, so we must have added, we must have to have the oiler on now in order for that alarm to pop, which makes sense. Just little things like that. Code evolves over time, and when you go to a customer that wants to have their equipment all run the same, sometimes it requires us to update their code, and this is the quickest, easiest way to find out what are the differences and what do I need to alter. Till next time, that's about it.